Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today I want to share the tutorials how to make a smooth transitions on your video. So I already have like some clips on my project, and let's have a check how it's transition one clip to another. Okay, as we can see that here is quite hard, okay, because the video is quite not too relatable one clip to another. I want to make it like have smooth transitions. The things that we're gonna do is just click a symbol between one clip into another. Just click it, okay, and then we will be generated into the transitions features. And now to make it like smooth, you can go into the overlay over here, overlay sections, and then now we can choose the overlay features that we want. For me, I want to choose the mixed over here, and then we also can adjust how many seconds that we want to mix this one clip to another clips on our project. Okay, and then after that, let's have a test first. Okay, and now there is a smooth transitions between one clip into another, and then it's also work for the other clip. Just click the symbol between one clip from another, click overlay, and then click mix, and now adjusting the length of the transitions. I want to make it more long. Just click check, and now let's check. Okay, now our clips already have a smooth transition between one clip into another. So that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe into this channel.